going on. I know it's been a minute, so taking the car to Soho, and by the looks of it, it might be hydro lock, so I'm just gonna be testing to see if this fixes anything. I saw the Nitish 21. He has a built G35, had a similar issue. His car shut off and it started like smoking, and it ended up being his throttle bodies. But since my thing is getting flooded with fuel, I'm gonna check the injectors and see which one's leaking. I ordered a new set of injector dynamics injectors. So I'm gonna check it out. I'm gonna pull everything off, like take off the plenum and all that, to see so I can pull off the rail, so I can see which ones are bad, and then try to start it and pretty much hope for the best. The valves are not, doesn't look bent. These are completely dry back here. So I'm done to check out these on this side. Valves look straight. If you look at my throttle body, you could kind of see like kind of where gas was flowing. You can see on this side. You guys see like the, I don't know if that's from before, but you see it there? That's like from, I think that's from gas. You can see the marking there. Took everything off, propped that up, had it in the corner so it doesn't fall over. What I'm gonna do now is take off these bolts right here and unbolt the fuel rail, and obviously cover this in a second. Well, there it is. Fuel rail is pulled out. So I got the new injectors on there now, brand spanking new. I'm about to connect everything and put everything back and see how it goes. Wish me luck. Catch you guys up in a second. Oh, these are the O injectors. I'm gonna see if there's a place where I could take them and get them tested and see if one of them or something was leaking, so I could see exactly which ones were leaking. So as you can see, I put everything back, connecting everything back up, and I'm sure everything's tightened up. If the ejectant don't do it, then I'm gonna try to switch the throttle body. I got 2 more throttle bodies from my spare motor when I bought this one. So my nerves are going through the roof. They try. Let's see. just went to AutoZone and the injectors are working fine, doing their thing, but it seems like the throttle bodies are not reading correctly, so I'm assuming the throttle bodies went bad. Luckily I got 2 more. I'll try to replace those at home right now when I get there, and then disconnect the battery and turn it back on and see what it does. So I replaced the throttle bodies already. I don't know if you guys could see there. It's kind of hard to see, but you guys see all of that? That's all fuel. I'm assuming that it's sucked up and it kind of fried the computer right here. There's the back of them. You can see.
2,000 years later.
What's going on? What's going on? So we're driving to get the car tuned. So this is what happens. You look at the AFRs. Try to give it some gas and get into boost, and it automatically start running like super rich. So I can't even get into boost at all. Big single turbo is the stage 2.5. Soho clearly doesn't make this kit anymore. They got the stage 2, but puts out the same amount of power now because they upgraded to the G35 900. I think it was the turbo. This is the GTW 3884 with the T51R mod. But yeah, this thing is a beast. Hopefully it puts down some good numbers. So I got the engine bay a little bit cleaned up. Can't be tuning the car with a dirty ass engine bay. Dude, that's a sick color. Nice, it's turbo. It's pretty badass. Looks like it's twin turbo. That's a really cool color. I still like my black cherry better, but that's definitely sick. Sheesh, that black cherry look fire. She is back on the dyno. Wondering what kind of number she's gonna put down. About to be sick. Really super impressed that I was able to do my swap and everything myself, and everything is looking decent, you know. So kudos to myself and everybody that gave me advice, for sure. And now this tuning we're doing is still on pump gas, so I want to make sure that this motor is, you know, running correctly before I decide to throw E on it. And since I still daily it, probably gonna stay on pump for a little while longer. So everything's said and done, the car made about 600. The coils are going bad. So what happened is the coils already had 100,000 miles when I bought the car, and then I put 33,000 miles on the old engine. So that's the one thing I didn't replace, which I should have replaced. I should have known better, but I didn't think they were bad, but now I know. So, but yeah, she's stout. She made pretty solid pulls back to back to back on like 86-degree weather inside the dyno room. So just got the car back dyno. About to drive it home. See how she feels. But yeah, definitely when I put these new coil packs in, I just got a data log and send it to Nick, and then he'll send me a Retune to calibrate everything. But the car should be making over 600 once the coils are in. First gear and I was trying to go to second and I was already in second. But yeah, she's pulling hard. Very nice. Driving on with my cancel button. Damn, this motherfucker spun when I went into fourth. Crazy. Hell yeah, fucking Nick killed this thing. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna do one more pull and full boost. Oh yeah, baby. Brake boosting is dope as fuck. Alright, time for the slower map. I think it's amazing. But yeah, drives normal. It fucking rips. I'm sure it'll feel a little better once I put the coil packs on. You can kind of hear the little flutter break up. That's the only thing I didn't replace, so that's next. I just ordered them from Z1, so they Z1 coils. As soon as they get here, I put them on. Catch you guys on the next one.